In this video, I will reveal the things you consider are important for your success, but those factors are not important for really success. If you want to know, please continue this video. 1. Fancy college or uni degree. 2. Money, a lot of money. 3. Connections. 4. A complete plan. 5. A competent mentor. 6. A competent mentor. 7. Time. 8. A very sportive parents. 9. An easy childhood. 10. A creative idea or new idea. 11. Have a magic lamp or formula. 12. Only working with good people in your life. 13. Social media or TV. 14. Living in a good country. So my suggestion to you, if you have decisively decided something in your life, and you must follow, take actions, dare to be bold, because all above factors are just sport. If you have, if no, no problem, no worries. Try again, try again, try again until you succeed, because success needs no any kind of factors. Person who have hunger for success, he will definitely sooner or later will succeed, will be the winner. Thank you.